I mean, look, you can make, it's easy to make jokes because everything's so unserious and everyone's like yeah, it's a Twitch streamer, YouTube streamer. But like in the future, stuff like this will be remembered as populist citizen journalism documenting riots or protests or whatever else is going on throughout all this, you know, commended for the bravery. You know, it's like, it's a goof when it's happening. After the fact, this gets flattened into categories, and this is a honorable category, you know? You know what I'm talking about. There's a drone. Not comparing him to Hasan because I think that would be ridiculous, but the guy who mostly got me into leftism, like early on, was Frederick Hampton. And I have always thought, and I thought this even when I was reading The Assassination of Frederick Hampton at like 16 or something, I thought like, damn, some of the lines he drops go really fucking hard now, but do you think at the time they were like too much? Do you like some of the hard shit that you remember now as being like, wow, that he was like aura farming back then. But when he said it, you think his friends around were like, come on, man. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's just kind of funny. It's giving prequel scenes from Cyberpunk 2077. If you knew just a little bit about world history, you would have so many comparisons you could draw. And I hope that you are able to diversify your, I guess sort of like your relative experiences, what you can compare it to.
Looks like a lot of escalation on the police side, I would say. So, they're not really trained in the de-escalation part.
I'm gonna go film them real quick.
Yeah, like you can jail a revolutionary, but you can't jail the revolution. I feel like like someone around at that time had this to be like, all right, come on, whatever the 1960s term for aura farming would have been. I don't know.
More units are coming in. Okay, they're moving.
Take a step back.
They might be.
They're jumping over.
Oh. They're firing into the crowd now. Forward! Forward!
Over the O-Rod!
I don't think that's fireworks, buddy. Nope, that's a flashbang.
Just gonna...
Alright, so they started deploying flashbang, and they're slowly moving in. I think they're moving from the right side and try to fucking capture as many people here. They're moving from the opposing side of the highway, and they're gonna try to trap as many people as they can. They're already deploying flashbangs. It's not great.
Yeah?
It's kind of loud here on
They're backing up.
What I miss, chat? What did I miss? I'm sorry to say Hasan got hit with the ground note cannon.
They're not. They're stop moving. But they're
They say his follower numbers are plummeting.
Look, what they're gonna try and do, they close off the other side of the road, and I think. I think they're gonna push in from this side of the road. Oh fuck! That fucked my hair up.
All right, buddy. All right, Bucko. Let's get back to the on ramp.
Anyway,
All right.
there That was. Oh Jesus Christ! They're fucking. Wait, hold on. Oh, they were starting to walk.
Yep.
They're gonna come.
Here, walk and talk. Walk and talk.
There's a secondary line back here. Oh god damn.
I'm glad he's having fun. Yeah, you know.
Oh, thank you. Bro, Hasan fans are crazy. They fucking. They're like, can we get a selfie? Anyway. Sure. They're about to push in. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Keep talking about Guatemala.
Oh, hell yeah. No. You do a selfie.
What matters is that they're having fun.
That's insane.
That is insane. I was just joking about asking for a selfie in the middle of a riot police pushing in. All right, wait, hold on.
I want to get a better vantage.
Oh, okay. All right, we can get up here.
I'm trying to see.
All right. Memorable experience for the fan.
Oh, I know. I'm just like trying to get a better view.
Yeah. Just saying to the chatters.
My ears still ringing from that flashbang.
That blew up in our face. That was crazy. Like I felt it in my head. Like the impact of it. Yeah, see?
You're trying to find a good spot. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I want to see.
Can we film from here?
Yeah.
Forgive me, but I want to see this from above.